In this video, I want to make decision based on the user agent. For example, if incoming request is from an Android or an iPhone, redirect this to this server, but if it is from anything other, request it to the authentication server. Let's go and see. Here I have two backend servers, authentication application and image application, and my server is my HAProxy is listening on port 80. I will use authentication application by default, but in which situation I will use image application if this condition become true. But what is this condition? This condition said, look at the header, and if header, at the end of header, user agent is equal to Android or iPhone, this condition is true, so use this backend server. Let's go and see. Here we are, sudo HAProxy file 26. Okay, if you see authentication application is answering me, but you can see here image application is answering me if I change to iPhone.